Module 2, Lesson 5, Dynamic Audiences, 4.5 minutes. In the last lesson, you built a static audience. Membership locked in at create time. Dynamic audiences are different. Instead of a fixed list, a dynamic audience is a saved filter. Subscribers flow in and out automatically as their data changes. This is the audience you use when you want recurring sends to a moving target. Use dynamic when the audience definition is a rule, not a list. Examples: anyone who opened a campaign in the last 30 days. That set changes every day. Dynamic: anyone tagged manufacturing whose status is active. New manufacturing tag subscribers join the audience automatically. Unsubscribed subscribers leave it automatically. Dynamic: anyone who has not opened any campaign in the last 60 days. Your re-engagement segment. The membership shrinks as people open and grows as inactive subscribers cross the threshold. Dynamic: whenever you would have to manually re-import the list, you want dynamic. Click audiences, click new audience, same starting point as a static audience. Name your audience descriptively. Active opens last 30 days. Manufacturing active subscribers. Specific names age well. Set type to dynamic. Below the type, the filter builder appears. This is the heart of the dynamic audience. The builder lets you compose conditions with and, or. Each condition has 3 parts: a field, an operator, and a value. Field is what you're filtering on. Status, tag, custom attribute, activity, engagement metric. Operator depends on the field. Equals, not equals, contains in last X days, greater than, less than. Value is what you're comparing to. The list of values updates based on what's in your workspace. Let's build a re-engagement audience together. The goal: find subscribers who were active but have gone quiet. Add condition, field, status, operator, equals, value, active. Add condition, and field, last open. Operator, more than. Value, 60 days. Add condition, and field, created. Operator, more than. Value, 90 days ago. The size preview at the top shows you how many subscribers match. If the count looks reasonable, you're set. If it's 0, your filters are too tight. If it's everyone, your filters are too loose. Adjust until the preview shows a meaningful audience size, then save. The AI suggest button at the top is the agentic side of audience building. Click it. The model reads your subscriber list, your recent campaign history, your existing audiences, and your stated goal. It proposes a segment. Each suggestion comes with provenance, the model that generated it, the confidence, the reasoning. Read the reasoning before accepting. The AI is good at finding patterns you would miss, but it sometimes proposes audiences that don't make business sense. Accept the suggestion, edit it, or reject it. Like every AI moment in simple marketing, the human always ships. Save the audience. You return to the audiences list. Your new dynamic audience appears. Click into the detail. The current membership is listed. The size at the top will update over time as subscribers match or stop matching. Crucially, the size column on the audiences index updates live. You can refresh the page tomorrow and see the audience has grown or shrunk based on real subscriber activity. When you target a campaign at this audience, the membership is calculated at send time. The campaign goes out to whoever matches in that exact moment. Next lesson, AI suggested audiences.